So this video is definitely not for beginners, but I know there's some of you out there that have been running successful Amazon FBA as well as e-commerce businesses. Your business needs to be diverse, especially going into 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Inside of this video, we're going to be going over exactly why your business needs to be diverse going into 2024. So this goes for Amazon FBA companies, but especially e-commerce companies in general. You really need to have a diverse way of making money in 2024, especially if you want to scale, and here's why. If Amazon or any of these other platforms shut down your business, you need to be ready to continue to pay your bills, pay off your debts, because I know a lot of you are buying inventory on debt, and you need to be able to come up with different solutions in order to keep your business flowing going into this next year. A lot of things are uneasy and there's a lot of changes going on in the next couple of months, especially with the recession and the possibilities of different things going on. So you really need to have a good way to be diverse and continue cash flow if your business were to go under. So if you guys are Amazon FBA sellers specifically, a lot of things come up such as returns or Amazon blocking inventory flowing in or Amazon pausing distributions. And with these things coming up, you really need to have a diverse way of continuing cash flow and making money going into the new year. Now, for a lot of you, this actually isn't that hard. As returns come in, don't throw them out. Don't just send them back into Amazon. Have a different way that you can sell them on a different platform. This could be Walmart, this could be eBay, this could be your own e-commerce company or your own e-commerce website. It's very simple. You just need to make sure that you're ready for these things as they pop up. Now, a lot of you, this might not be a problem because if you're using a prep center and you have no employees or even just VAs, you don't have to worry about if the beast were to shut off, you're okay. You can pay off your debts with your inventory based off of your Amazon payouts or whatever other money you have laying down. People are not relying on you to continue to have their job secured. Now, if you are somebody with a warehouse, with employees, with staff, you need to be able to come up with different solutions to keep the flow going as time goes on. So for a lot of you, it might be if you have a warehouse, have your inventory going into Walmart Fulfillment Center, have your inventory going into eBay sales. There's got to be just different ways that you're coming up with cash flow and systems to scale. And also these will help you because if you do build these up and Amazon were to hit the fan, which it most likely won't because it's like the biggest company in our entire country, having these other solutions to sell through inventory does help. And the beast can get shut off at any time. So just be wary of these things. That way you're not left with your hands tied behind your back if this were to happen. It's happened to me only once or twice in the past 6 years. It's not likely to happen. And when it did happen to me, I was technically violating Amazon's terms of service. So I was asking for it essentially. I don't want these things to happen to you and I want you to be prepared for these things as they come down. Now for us, what we're doing, we're really focusing on opening up other platforms as time goes on. We've completely systematized the Amazon process and built a team around building it out where Amazon can run itself as time goes on. It's not just me sourcing anymore. We have a team of sourcers. It's not just me keeping up with account health and keeping up with warehouse stuff and stuff like that. We really have built out and invested in systems to be able to scale. And now we're working on being able to actually have other platforms run for us. And who knows which one will be the best as time goes on. Amazon is competitive, so you have to keep a competitive edge. Keeping up a system to be able to scale so I can focus on different problems that arise or different new ways to scale is a good way. We're going to be introducing private label and we're also going to be introducing a lot of Walmart and eBay sales. It's super helpful to have these cash flow systems going. So one, we can liquidate out returns. Two, we could sell off dead inventory that way. And then three, also, if Amazon becomes saturated, we can deploy these things as main models as time goes on. And no, the last thing that we're working on is creating cash flow with our Discord program. That's not what we're going for. So I just want you guys to be wary. It's not a bad thing and it's not something that's going to ruin your business long term, but you want to focus on things like this so that way you can have a peace of mind going into 2024, knowing that your business can continue to go forward. If Amazon were to get harder or change or account health issues were to arise, it's just helpful to have that peace of mind and it's worth investing into while things are going good rather than having to do it when things go bad. So that's it for this video. We still have our free Discord community if you want to join in and talk with other 6- and 7-figure Amazon FBA sellers. We're going to be changing that up also to be allowing other platforms to be involved in there. That's it for this video, and I want to thank you for your business, and we'll see you again soon.